This is how they are looking right now. Some like chips and salsa basically.
Cheers to you guys. Taste test.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria Lashae for those of you that are new. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back to the channel. If you are a new subscriber after watching this video, I hope you stay a while. So in today's video, I will be filming a what I eat in a day video. Yeah, there's not much to it. I'm just gonna be filming what I eat in a day. I like watching these videos on YouTube. I find them very interesting. So I decided to film my own what I eat in a day. So right now, I think it's like 10 a.m. It's kind of late, honestly. I just kind of woke up late and that's honestly the reality. I'm doing a more realistic what I eat in the day. So it's 10 like-ish a.m. right now. I'm gonna have breakfast because that's what I'm feeling. That's what I want right now. So yeah, if you guys are excited for the video, then make sure you stay tuned and we are going to head to the kitchen. Okay guys, so we are now in the kitchen and the very first thing I guess we're gonna say I do for the day is definitely drink coffee. A lot of the times I drink iced coffee, like I prefer that over hot coffee, but I don't really have iced coffee in my fridge right now, which is so sad, unfortunately, but I need to go get more of it. So we're gonna have hot coffee instead, which is fine because I mean, I like hot coffee too. I just prefer if it is iced coffee. So we have the lovely Keurig. We are going to be using Dunkin' Donuts Keurig pods. And yeah, we are just going to put this inside of the Keurig. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this Great Value brand vanilla caramel creamer from Walmart, of course. And then I'm also using this like almond milk just because I want to like get rid of it. So I'm gonna try to use a little bit in it in my coffee. And then we are just gonna be using just some regular sugar to put in there as well. Okay guys, I got my coffee. I used my Starbucks mug today. It's so pretty. And yeah, I'm gonna take these retainers out because can't drink coffee with retainers in. Sure y'all don't want to see this. Let's have a taste test. It is so good. I got my lip gloss on the cup, but it is so freaking good, y'all. I love coffee. It literally makes me so warm inside, especially like in the winter. It just makes me so warm. Even though I love my iced coffee, I'll drink iced coffee no matter what season, winter, like just, it doesn't matter. I'll drink that all year round, but this is definitely better for the winter, obviously. So next we're gonna get into breakfast. Let me gather the ingredients and I will get right back to you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back with the ingredients. Today I'm going to be making, this is actually gonna be my first time making like this croissant breakfast sandwich. I saw it a long time ago. I don't remember where I saw it, but I've always wanted to try it and I never like really took the initiative. So we're gonna be doing that today. I got these croissants from Jewel Osco. These were mini ones. I was trying to look for like the bigger ones, but they didn't have any or I didn't see any. So these are like mini, so I'm probably gonna make, I don't know. I didn't mention this. I don't really do any type of calorie count or like anything like that. I mean, I try to incorporate healthier like fruits really and like some vegetables like I'll try to incorporate, but I don't do any of the calorie count or anything like that. I probably need to, but I don't. So yeah, I don't know. I'm probably just gonna make about like 3 maybe of these And then I'm also gonna be making my boyfriend some too. I'll probably make him maybe 4 or something, I don't know. But yes, we got some cheese, shredded cheese, turkey bacon, eggs, butter. Those are the ingredients that we need to make these, I guess, breakfast croissants. So yeah, I'm just gonna drink my coffee while I make breakfast, and that's about it. This is how they are looking right now. I just put them all in this bowl just to keep them like kind of together. So yeah, that's what we're having for breakfast. I'm gonna drink some water or orange juice, I'm not sure. Probably water, because I think we only have a little bit of orange juice, which I'm gonna give to my boyfriend. So yeah, that's what we are eating for breakfast. So I will see you guys at lunchtime. Hello, people of the internet. I am back. It is 3:30 p.m. and clearly kind of past lunch. And to be honest, usually what I eat in a day is breakfast and dinner. I don't usually eat lunch unless it's like I eat something really small for breakfast, but since today we had a pretty decently big breakfast, I'm really not that hungry. So most likely I'm just gonna get some fruit, maybe some pineapples, eat that until I'm ready later, or if I get a little bit hungrier, then maybe I'll jump back in and show you guys what I'm eating. But right now I'm just gonna grab some pineapples out of the fridge, and we are pretty much going to have that for my lunch. Got the pineapple. Yum. I'm just gonna eat this. I am currently editing another YouTube video right now. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, make my day. It is now 4:58 p.m. I am getting pretty hungry, but I'm not really ready to cook dinner because I am doing some things right now. I'm like working on some business related things, so I'm not really ready to cook right now. I did get this bag of Doritos that I am about to eat right now because I'm pretty hungry. I finished those pineapples and I need something else to eat before I start to cook dinner. So that's what we're gonna eat at the moment while I continue to like work on my business things. I'm back again, and it is now 6:53 p.m. and it is about time for me to cook some dinners. Every day is different. I don't really eat the same foods at the same time, or obviously not the same foods, but I don't eat at the same time every day, like for dinner, lunch, or breakfast really. So on today's menu, we are going to be making some like ground beef street style tacos type of thing. So we got some ground beef, some onions, some cilantro. We have like the corn tortillas, and then we also have like lime juice and things like that. So that's what we're gonna be having for dinner. We're also gonna be having some like chips and salsa, basically just as a kind of an appetizer, or we'll probably eat it with it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be having just as like a side to our dinner.
Lemonade, ooh, tastes so sweet. sip slowly. Grains of glass riding on my feet. Do you love me? Do you not? Do you think about me every time? 'Cause you've been running my mind all day. As I ride through the ocean, sleep on my face, play Teddy Pendergrass, listen to the waves. You keep coming right back, and I think you could be my ray of sunshine. You could bring the darkness to light. I just wanna feel love, baby, say it ain't so. Everything that I got just left my control. Oh, my lemonade. Ooh-wee. Sticky, icky, sweet. Kissing on my cheek. Girl, I love, girl, I love, girl, I love you. Never did I need what you couldn't.
I'm back with short stuff. No, I'm joking. I was never here.
With my boyfriend.
I'm here with short stuff.
You guys probably, I don't think you've been formally introduced. This is Jamil, my boyfriend.
Nice to meet you. How do you do, Daria Lashae subscribers?
It is 7:43. I don't remember what time it was when we started this. Probably 7? I don't know. Y'all know because y'all watched. Food is done. And I thought this time we would try it on camera. Obviously, I showed you guys how it looks. Looks great, right?
Yeah, it looks fantastic.
And we already know what chips and salsa tastes like, so we don't really need to try that on camera. But let's do a cheers.
Is there lime in these?
Yes. Do you want more lime?
I mean, if you think it's enough, then it should be enough.
If it's not enough, then you can put some more. Ooh.
Cheers to you. Cheers to you guys. Nice to finally meet. Let's do this taste test. The onions and herbs are fresh. That's good stuff.
What do you rate it? I rated it 10 out of 10.
So do I.
I'm surprised. He's hard to please, y'all. He probably just saying that for the camera.
Alright, I take that back. More like a 9 out of 10. No, I'm joking.
So that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of seeing what I eat in a day. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe to the channel. I can definitely do a part 2 if you guys want me to. So I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.